Hey there, welcome back to Tap Tech. Today we're diving into something big, the kind of hardware leap that might change the game. I'm talking about the brand new iPad Pro M5. If you thought tablets couldn't keep up with laptops, think again. Imagine a tablet so powerful it can handle heavy video editing. 3D graphics, even on-device AI, that's what iPad Pro M5 brings. This isn't a just slightly faster upgrade. This is a major step forward, something Apple designed for creators, professionals, and anyone who wants premium performance in a slim, portable package. From the under-the-hood engine to the ultra-smooth display and lightning-fast storage, everything is built to make your work, art, gaming, or content creation smoother, faster, smarter. So stay with me because I'll walk you through every big upgrade, every winning point, and you'll see why this could be the tablet to beat in 2026. Let's begin. The heart of this machine is the new M5 chip, Apple's latest silicon. Compared to the previous iPad Pro generation, the M5 delivers up to 3.5 faster AI performance. That means tasks like on-device image generation, real-time video editing, even AI-powered workflows all become dramatically faster. If you're a creator using apps for drawing, editing, or designing, this change will be noticeable. But raw AI power isn't all. GPU inside is a 10-core GPU built on a new architecture with neural accelerators in each core. It means graphics, 3D rendering, ray tracing, heavy workloads all run smoother, according to early benchmarks. 3D rendering and graphics performance are significantly improved versus older iPads. For creators, editors, designers, that's huge. Think Final Cut Pro on a tablet. Think complex 3D modeling or rendering. Think video editing, motion graphics, digital art, but on something thin, portable, and premium. And it's not just power. Memory and storage get a big boost too, base level. Models now start with 12 GB unified memory, up from 8 GB in older models. Storage read-write speeds are up 2x faster, which means loading large files, switching between heavy apps, exporting high-res video, all feels snappy and smooth. All this builds a foundation for serious productivity. Multitasking feels more real. Heavy workloads feel less taxing. For power users, this is a device that can flex both portability and performance. Let's talk about display. The iPad Pro M5 keeps the same sleek design and premium build as before, but now runs on the latest hardware with top-tier display support. The old screen remains jaw-dropping, smooth, vibrant, responsive. For artists, video watchers, designers, this matters. If you hook up an external monitor, the iPad Pro M5 can drive a display at up to 4000 resolution with 120 Hz refresh rate, or up to 6000 at 60 Hz. It means if you want to treat your iPad like a mini workstation, docking it, connecting a big display, you can. It's no longer just a tablet. It becomes a productivity hub. And let's talk about connectivity. For a moment, the M5 iPad Pro includes Apple's new wireless chips, supporting Wi-Fi 7, BLUETOOTH6, modern wireless standards, and 4 cellular models, a new modem for faster, more efficient 5G connectivity. Whether you're editing, streaming, collaborating, connectivity won't hold you back. For those who care about build quality, the form factor stays premium. Slim light in the 11-inch model, roughly 444 grams. Sleek design with premium finish options, space black, silver. Stays portable, yet inside it packs serious power. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Cool. But do I really need this much power on a tablet? It's a valid question. If you only browse, watch videos, or check email, maybe this feels like overkill. But this device shines for creators, professionals, or anyone pushing boundaries. Video editors, graphic artists, animators, architects, 3D modelers, or people who want just one premium device for everything. Content, design, work, play. Also, for those who carry their creative studio in a backpack, this could replace a laptop, or at least complement it beautifully. Because iPad Pro M5 gives laptop-level horsepower, so with tablet portability. One more thing, Apple built this for the future. On-device AI. high-res content, external display workflows, heavy editing, big graphics. The rise of AI-driven apps, creative workflows, remote work, content creation, this iPad is tuned for that future. So if you're someone chasing performance, flexibility, portability, this just might be the most future-proof tablet you can buy right now. But of course, nothing's perfect. If you mainly use your device for casual browsing or light tasks, this might be more than you need. Battery life may still be a trade-off under heavy workloads. And if you're not using advanced apps, you may not feel the full benefit. Still, for anyone serious about power, speed, creative freedom, iPad Pro M5 delivers. It's a serious upgrade. So here's the real question. Is this the tablet that finally bridges the gap between tablet and laptop? For many, yes. And for pros, absolutely. If you're building graphics, editing 4K, 8K video, designing, animating, or just want a premium, future-ready device, iPad Pro M5 deserves a hard look. If you're excited about this, hit like. Share this video with anyone looking for a powerful device that fits in a backpack. And drop a comment. Tell me what you do with this kind of power. Video editing, 3D art, streaming, designing? Want to know. Thanks for watching till the end. If you love deep dives into the latest tech and want honest takes, make sure you're subscribed to Tap Tech, because we dig into the tech that matters. See you in the next one. Peace.